Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about how Thai law enforcement, certain members of it, are, notwithstanding the ongoing debate, which in my opinion there really shouldn't be a debate on the issue of cannabis, there are real issues involving law enforcement activities surrounding actual, what we once called drugs, substances, narcotics, things that kill people. I thought of making this video after reading, it wasn't even an article, it was just a photo in the Bangkok Post print edition. I'll go ahead and put this on screen. But as you can see, there's the Interior Minister along with members of law enforcement, Major Bus, quoting directly, Deputy Prime Minister and Interior Minister Anutin Charnvirakul, second right, announces the seizure of 40 sacks of crystal meth weighing 1 ton from the Tam Lao network at the Provincial Police Region 1 headquarters. So, I've discussed this at length in other videos. I find it really odd that there are certain folks within the establishment at the moment that, have major problems with cannabis, which kills no one, statistically, just no one. And then, things like methamphetamine, we're going to be lax on that. I find that to be really a kind of a paradoxical, at the very least, kind of position where, you're going after people who are just trying to run businesses and pay their taxes, and really a bunch of people that really don't cause harm to society, really. Now, again, as we've discussed in other videos, I do understand the Thai desire by the public. They don't really want this stuff smoked out on the streets. They don't want it to be a nuisance. I get that completely, but but then at the same time, to take a hard line on cannabis and then to take a soft line on methamphetamine, it's like, well, what are we doing here at the end of the day? So I just thought this photo was interesting, and to my mind, it kind of summed up, if you will, it acts as a sort of a touchstone so you can see the whole picture, if you will. Just because law enforcement officials and policymakers here in Thailand are trying to have a more progressive attitude toward cannabis, it doesn't mean they're messing around when it comes to hard drugs. That's the thing to bear in mind, because the same people who are happy to be very reasonable regarding cannabis can be very stringent and strict in the application of relevant Thai law regarding hard drugs here in the Kingdom of Thailand.